Good evening, everyone. On the occasion of World Diabetes Day, which is celebrated on 14th November, we will be talking about diabetes. So what is diabetes? Diabetes, it is a condition in which extra glucose is produced in your body and it leads to many complications later in your life. So insulin, which is either produced inadequately or utilized improperly by your body, which leads to accumulation of this extra glucose, which causes either pre-diabetes or diabetes. So how many types of diabetes are there? There are total 3 types. Type 1 diabetes, it is an autoimmune disorder, means that your body, immune system in your body destroys the pancreatic cells in the body, due to which insulin is not produced properly. In type 2 diabetes is the most common type of diabetes. It is again, the reason is not known why it is caused, but it is either due to production deformity or improper usage. So next we will be talking about risk factors about diabetes. For type 1 diabetes, it is age. It is more common in childhood or family history. If anyone in your family is positive for type 1 diabetes, or any sibling is having type 1 diabetes, or it can be due to a viral infection also, like rotavirus, Coxsackie virus, or any other. And it is more common in the cold countries. What are the risk factors for type 2 diabetes? In type 2 diabetes, there are many risk factors like obesity, gestational diabetes, or how many types of diabetes are there? Type 1 diabetes. In type 1 diabetes, it is an autoimmune disorder. It is the immune cells in the body destroy the pancreatic cells which produce insulin, due to which there is no production of insulin in your body, and it leads to diabetic condition. It is recognized in childhood itself. In type 2 diabetes, it is an most common type of diabetes, can be seen during childhood or during adulthood. It is again due to improper production or improper utilization. The exact cause is still not known. Then gestational diabetes, it is only during pregnancy these diabetes are present. Then who will be having diabetes? What are the risk factors? In type 1 diabetes, there are mainly due to genetic reason, familial history, or it can also be due to age, childhood. Then it is present in cold climate. Then type 2 diabetes, there are many risk factors for type 2 diabetes, mainly obesity, age, old age, or due to gestational diabetes or baby weighing more than 9 pounds. It can also happen in people having history of heart stroke or any other heart condition. Then race, and which more women are more prone to diabetes. It will be African American, African Asian, American Asian, and Hispanic American Indian can be more prone to diabetes than others. So does diabetes affect women and men differently? It affects both of them equal in numbers, but women are more prone to heart diseases, as it is the most common complication seen. What are the other health diseases associated with diabetes? The longer you have diabetes, the more risk factors, it increases the risk factors associated with diabetes. So diabetes accounts for 40% of heart diseases, 30% of strokes, 70% of non-traumatic leg amputations or foot amputations, and blinding. It is the leading cause of blinding seen in the world. So what are the common symptoms seen in type 1 and type 2 diabetes? These people get more tired or anxious comparatively. Then they are more thirsty, urinate more, get infections rapidly like vaginal infections or UTIs, or their sores are also hard to heal. There are tingling sensations in the hands or feet, and you can not easily recognize them. You need to be tested. So what is management of diabetes and how can you prevent it? In management of diabetes, in type 1, your body doesn't produce insulin, so you need the insulin shot or insulin pump. You cannot take any pills. In type 2 diabetes, you can take medicines. Your doctor will be prescribing them, and the dosage will be increasing accordingly. then how can you prevent it? In type 1 diabetes, we don't know how can you prevent it. In type 2 diabetes, you can prevent it. Even the decrease in 7% of your body weight, it will postpone or delay the diabetes. Similarly, if you eat healthy, lower your blood sugar, and exercise regularly, 30 minutes of physical exercise daily can help you to prevent diabetes and lead a healthy life. Thank you.